Hey everybody, Coach Willem here from Restored Strength, and I'm going to be teaching you how to use your mobility stick. So if you purchased one of our mobility kits or just purchased one on your own, you got one of these. And so I'm going to show you how to use it. So the trick here is to find your spots of tension. Most times when it comes to using the mobility stick, we're going to begin by going through the front of the shin. So with both hands facing down, I'm going to go on the outer edge of my shin here, mainly avoiding the bone, but going into the meaty part of my shin here. This is called the tibia. So I'll go for about maybe 30 to 60 seconds here, finding different areas, going from underneath the knee, going all the way to above the calf. And like I said, I'll go about 30, 60 seconds there. Then I'm going to go into the calf, which is back behind the shin. And in that position, I can keep my palms facing down, just going up and down, finding those different areas. I can go side to side, up, down the center, or on the outer edge of the calf. Another grip that you can do is one palm facing up, one palm facing down. See how that feels? Same thing, about 30 to 60 seconds there. The next area that I'm going to go into is the quadriceps, which is the top of your thigh. Same thing, just keeping myself tall and tight, pushing against my top thigh with that roller. 30 to 60 seconds there. Then I'm going to open up my thigh a little bit. I'm going to go through the inner thigh here, which is called your adductors. From that position, I'm going to go from the inner meatier part of the top of my knee, going to as close to the inner thigh as I can comfortably. Same thing, 30, 60 seconds. Then I'm going to go into the IT band. This is the outer edge of your thigh here. So the same thing, I'm using that massage stick to go up and down, starting from the top of my hip, working my way down all throughout the lateral or the outer edge of my thigh. Now the last area that I'm going to get into is the hamstring. And so with the hamstring, I'm going to go from behind my thigh. I'm going to go up and down in that area here. Now, if I angle it in an upward direction, I can get a little bit more into the inner thigh again, into the different areas of the hamstring. I can go into the center of the hamstring, and then I can go to the outer edge. And again, I can switch my grip to see if that feels different for me. And so when it comes to the massage stick, the best areas to hit with this is going to be the lower body.